Hey guys, we've got Reiner from Renia here, and we are going over the line of Renia adhesives, glues, and other products that we carry from them. And right now we are going to be talking about the GP Atom.
Mhm.
So
Right.
what's going on with that guy?
Well, this is a superglue. It's a cyanoacrylate based superglue.
A what?
Cyanoacrylate, or
Okay.
Ca. Um, Superglue, right?
Uh-huh.
It's and there's more that are based on a similar chemical basis. I mean, superglues you get in hardware stores, you get in
Yeah.
hobby stores, whatever. So what is different about this? So the origin of this is also in shoe repair. Yeah,
Okay.
and that is where what Renia started with way back when. So what is relevant in that kind of environment, and also for this industry here, in any sort of adhesive, whatever it is, whatever the base is, it has to be flexible, right?
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
all the materials you deal with, they're
Flexible.
absorbent, they're flexible. And I mean, imagine putting a typical rigid hard superglue on leather, right? It's going to crack, it's going to break. Even if you just put a drop on for a quick fix, yeah,
Right.
you create a weak spot because that is going to break. And that was sort of the idea with this product here, and still is, to have something that has that super quick bonding capability within a couple of seconds, holds on to pretty much anything, but remains flexible.
Okay.
And we also have rigid superglues, and they have their purpose, certainly. I mean, if you stick a clothes hanger to a piece of tile on the wall, you don't need flexibility.
Right.
But with anything here, you do, right? So that's what you need there. Now, I wouldn't, when I say flexible, it's not as flexible as, for instance, the Aquilum or the Top Fit. And also, it's not intended for large surfaces.
Okay.
That's not the point. You can do that, yes, but it's first of all, it's going to dry on you before you finish coating your entire saddle surface or something. And also, like I said, it's not the intended use. It will be too stiff in the end. This is intended for, number one, a quick fix of something that has come loose and that has to stick down now, right? Otherwise, we'll have a problem. Also for tiny surfaces. So, for instance, in braiding, you braid your lace and then you put like a clasp or something on there, a little metal piece at the end, a concho, and anything, right? And in some cases, that has to be bonded on. Not all of them can be laced through.
Right.
But like a sort of a cap over the end. And this is something where this comes in handy. It doesn't make the leather brittle so that it breaks. It sticks to the metal, it sticks to the leather, and it kind of marries those two pieces. So that is the typical typical application example here. It's, well, I mean, I always have a bottle of this at home, obviously. I mean, I know where to get it. But it is generally not a bad idea to have some around, because there's always going to be something that needs to be stuck, right? Around the house, around the workshop, whatever. I like to keep it in the fridge.
Okay.
Which is actually sort of a life hack, quote unquote, for super glue. So let's back up a little bit. The other adhesives that we make, general idea is you have adhesive substance, neoprene, resin, polyurethane, whatever you name it, natural rubber, and the rubber cement, and you have a carrier. You have a solvent, you have water, something, right? And in order to get it onto the surface, I mean, the bonding substances, they don't need the solvent to work. They need the solvent to get onto the surface, because otherwise they would be hard, they would be rigid. You couldn't put them on there. So something has to evaporate out of those.
Okay.
The solvent, the water, whatever. This is a reactive adhesive. So you have 100% bonding substance in here. Nothing evaporates.
Okay.
Now this thing goes on and you can put something right on there because nothing has to evaporate.
Right.
Now, what does it react with? Because this is, technically speaking, a two-component adhesive.
Okay.
But we just sell you one component, or structured leather does in this case. We just sell the one component. The other you get for free.
That's whatever you have.
Air humidity. That comes, well,
depending on where you're at.
Here, it comes for free. I mean, if you're on the International Space Station, you might have to pay for that to get the air up there. But down here, it's free. So far. We'll see. But generally what happens is cyanoacrylate reacts or polymerizes with water,
Okay.
right? Which is why you want to keep this dry. It also reacts with itself over time.
Uh-huh.
And like pretty much any chemical reaction, most of them, it's accelerated the warmer it gets.
Okay.
So if you leave a bottle like this, and this is actually pretty stable. I mean, there's others out there that are way more reactive. If you leave this on the dashboard of your car for a couple of months, it's going to harden. You never opened it, but it's going to harden.
Right.
Because that the little bit of reaction that's always going on in here was so accelerated by that heat that the whole thing just solidified. Same thing can happen if you open and close it a lot in a humid environment, and air humidity gets in and starts reacting with this.
Right.
And that's where that trick with the fridge comes from. You slow down the reaction, you isolate it, and it's not toxic or anything. It doesn't do anything for the other stuff you keep in there. Sure, you can get a little shop fridge and put it in there just to be on the safe side. It doesn't have to be kept in the fridge. It's just something that makes it last a whole lot longer once it's open.
Well, I know a lot of super glues, you open the bottle and then the next time you come back to use it, it's solidified and it's just kind of over. So it's like one use.
That's one reason why some of that is sold in such tiny containers.
Yeah.
Because it is basically good for one use. Now this is more of it. This is 1.7 ounces.
That's a pretty good size
it's a big
super glue. Yeah.
So it has to last. So basically you cut this open. Up there, make a tiny little hole if you can. And before you put it away, try to make sure that this is free of the adhesive.
Okay.
Because this will bond shut over time.
Yeah.
Close it, put it away, and then use it the next time. In the fridge, it will, even if it's open, it will last for months, a year, something like that.
Nice.
Unopened, more than a year.
Okay.
And yeah, like I said, it's quick, it's fast. Just not for large scale applications. That's not the idea.
Right.
But
for those of you cabochon users out there, that would probably be a really good solution to glue your cabochon to a piece of leather.
Yeah, that will work.
So,
that will work.
Yeah.
Right.
Hold them in place and it won't make the leather brittle.
Right.
Nice.
Okay.
All right. So this is the Atom Atom Superglue. It is 751-04 for this bottle of Superglue. Very cool. All right. On to the next one.